So in this week's video, I want to share a topic that I had talked about many times before. It's in the Accountant Success Formula online course. It's about the difference between the stuff and the transformation. So the stuff and the transformation. What I'm talking about is the conversations that you have with clients, existing clients, prospective clients, any client at all. The accountants that I've worked with have realized that they've got it backwards. I had this backwards. I had it so ass backwards, it was brutal. I would always talk about the stuff that I did, and here's all the stuff and the things and the technical. And I was a tax guy, right? So I'm like, oh, here's all the technical tax stuff that I'm gonna do for you, blah, 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 blah. Clients don't care about that. They don't care about the stuff. They really don't. Believe it or not, they don't give a shit. What they really care about is their bigger, brighter future. Their transformation. So what we're going to call about this is we're going to call it, this is the stuff. There's the stuff, and we'll call it the transformation. Okay? Transformation. Get this done quick here. So transformation. That's what the clients really care about. So what am I talking about here? So when you're having a conversation with your client, really hold back, okay? This is hard for us because we've gone to school for so long. We're technically proficient. And for myself, I was a tax specialist, so I did not only my 4 years of university and then 3 years of articling, I did another 2 years on top of that. I had 10 years in total of becoming the professional that I was. So of course I wanted to tell them about all the stuff that I was going to do. You know, I'm going to do this special reorganization. I'm going to do this reorg. I'm going to reconcile your books. I'm going to file your personal taxes, and I'm going to file your business taxes, and I'm going to, all the stuff that we do. Some of you are doing bookkeeping, which I'm not a fan of, but if you're going to do that, we're going to take care of your bookkeeping and yada yada yada. We're going to do an audit. Again, another one of the swear words I don't like doing audits at all. I think they're going to be commoditized, but that's a whole nother video in itself. These two things and personal taxes only, another video. Here's the thing. Here's the stuff. You're going blah, 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 blah. Here's all the stuff. Client doesn't care about that. What do they care about? This is what you do, right? So if you think about it this way, the stuff is what you do, but the thing that you want to focus your attention on and focus the conversation on with the client is what are they going to get? This is what we do. This is what you get. So what does the client get? Okay, and so the one thing is maybe you're going to give them peace of mind. They can go to sleep at night. That was one of the biggest clients that I ever had. They were paying me $15,000 a month when I had my accounting practice. I took care of one of their corporations and their family trust and their personal taxes. They were paying me $15,000 a month. I had another company doing the review and audit of their operating companies. I never even touched those. I was just the quarterback, the CFO. We'll call it fractional CFO. Seems to be a big phrase that everybody loves to talk about now, but I guess that's what I was back in the day. I was a fractional CFO. I was taking care of planning their 4 planning pillars, which I call the business, wealth, retirement, estate, and I was taking care of the taxes just for the simple entities up top. Down below, the big ones, I had somebody else doing it, right? They said to my wife in a dinner party, she said, Eric, the work Eric does for us is invaluable. We can sleep at night knowing that he's got everything under control. I was like, think about that for a second. That's what they got. That's what I was doing, all this stuff, the 4 planning pillars and all the taxes and the reorgs, and I was, coordinating the other accounting firm to do the real shitty work. Oh, funny point, by the way. The accounting firm got paid for the entire review engagement they did for one company. They got paid what I got paid in 1 month for an entire year of work. They looked at it and they went, what are you doing, Eric? And I said, I'm helping them with the transformation. I'm focusing on this, not on the stuff. And they blew their mind. They were getting paid the same amount for an entire year of work that I got paid for 1 month. You can too, by the way. It's in the Accountant Success Formula. But anyways, let's keep going on the transformation. So the transformation for them, peace of mind, right? They got peace of mind, right? They could sleep at night. One of the other transformations they have is that knowing that all their hard work was getting them to their bigger, brighter future. I talk about this bigger, brighter future. So in other words, your clients running these businesses, they're dealing with 4,000 things all the time. They're trying to make the best money they possibly can. They're trying to build their wealth and create a great life for themselves. They want to know that all this hard work is actually getting them closer to their bigger, brighter future. So having that clarity, there's peace of mind, and then there's clarity knowing that all their hard work is actually getting them to where they want to go. Like, that's it. And so I would focus on that. The other thing too, I would tell them, well, you got a professional on speed dial. Whenever you have a question, like, you just pick up the phone and call me. And again, with the Accountant Success Formula, they weren't paying for that extra call because it was all baked into the subscription model. Call me as much as you want. I don't care. Call me all the time. Didn't matter to me. The more you called me, the more I could solve problems and maybe find other special projects and change orders to do, which I did with these clients, by the way. So this is the thing that I want to kind of highlight again is stop. I highly recommend you don't talk to your clients too much about what you do. Okay, because they really don't care. This is the stuff we do. What is it the client gets? And to understand what the client really wants, you have to have the right conversation with them. And that's one of the modules in the Accountant Success Formula is how to have the right client conversations. How to have a conversation with a client to find out exactly what they want and then say, aha, this is what they want. Then telling them that's what I'm going to give you. This is how I'm going to get you there. But that's not the most important part. The most important part is that you're going to have peace of mind. You're going to know your hard work is getting you to the bigger, brighter future. You got me on speed dial, so I've got you covered. I got your back. Finding out exactly what they want and then telling them that's how you're going to help them get there. Again, that's the stuff you do. That's the stuff they get. So again, I did this wrong way for years. It's scary to think about it. You know, the first 18 years of my career, I was always talking about the stuff, okay? So it's not like Eric shit don't stink. I did this wrong, and that's why I can talk about this so openly and criticize myself. I'm criticizing me for what I used to do in the past. I want to save you those first 18 years of heartache that I had and get you to that next phase of your career where you're going to actually make more money, have more free time, and clients that love to work with you. That's why I've created the Accountant Success Formula, and that's why I share these videos with you every week, and there you go. As always, I'm Eric Solbakken, reminding you that when you take back control of your business model, you can take back control of your life. Stay tuned for more success tips to come. I'm tripping over my words. Stay tuned for more success tips to come. There, that's better. That's like a radio announcer voice. I like that one. Yeah.